Loading every breath, breathe it in tonight. Golden light on your shoulders, suns are falling into blue. Every wave is getting closer, every woo leads back to you. All mind moving through the speakers, baseline smooth against the sand. Every look you give to me feels like something unplanned. In the space between the sound, I can feel our bodies slow. Every breath is pulling me to a place I already know. There's love in every breath, and the light next to me. In this moment, go from left, just the sky and a deep blue sea. There's love in every breath, in the way our worlds align. Every heartbeat tells it all. Every fate so empty. There's blood in every breath, every time you breathe with me. Golden light on your skin tonight. Sun is sinking, time feels slow. Barefoot dancing on the shoreline. Let the warm wind take control. Every wave keeps calling your name. In the rhythm of the sea, I try to run from this feeling, but it keeps coming back to me. Sounds drifting in the air, your shadow moving close to mine. Every moment feels so rare, like we're running out of time. Now I'm falling for you again, like the first night we met. Under sunset skies, we forget the pain. Just you and I, no regrets. I'm falling for you again. In this endless summer flame, every heartbeat knows your name. Yeah, I'm falling for you again. Ooh, the night feels right. Whoa, don't let go. Ooh, just stay with me. Let the rhythm flow. Let the rhythm flow. Neon reflections on the sea. Baseline moving through my chest. Every smile you give to me pulls me deeper than the rest. We don't need no destination, just a feeling, just a sound. Lost inside this vibration, where our worries can't be found. Slow motion in your eyes, summer dreams we never planned. Hold me close, don't ask me why. I just wanna feel your hands. I'm falling for you again, like waves returning to shore. Every touch pulls me back in, still wanting you even more. I'm falling for you again, in this golden afterglow. Every part of me already knows I'm falling for you again. If tomorrow fades away, I don't care, I'm here tonight. Under stars and city lights, everything just feels so right. No promises, no lies, just this moment, just this view. Every time I look at you, I remember what we knew. I'm falling for you again. Yeah, I'm falling for you again. I'm falling for you again. In the heat of the night, every shadow, every flame leads me back to your light. We're in the summer night. I'm lost in your arms tonight. Under skies of fading gold, every fear just slips away when you're holding me this close. I'm lost in your arms tonight. I'm the rhythm will of the tide. Every heartbeat feels so right when our worlds collide. Ooh, let it flow. Ooh, moving slow. Ooh, don't let go. Feel the afterglow. City lights are getting distant. Only stars above the sea. Every sound feels more consistent when you're lying next to me. Tropical tones in the background, smokes like whispers in the air. Every kiss feels like a promise, even though we never swear. In the glow of after hours, time is melting with the beat. Every moment pulls me closer to where hearts and rhythm meet. I'm lost in your arms tonight, in this endless summer dream. Every touch feels amplified. Nothing's ever what it seems. I'm lost in your arms tonight. When the waves begin to slow, every part of me already knows this is where I wanna go, where I wanna go. Ooh, yeah. If tomorrow comes too fast, let tonight just drift away. No regrets about the past, only what we feel and say. In the silence of the sound, in the pulse beneath the light. I don't need another reason when you're holding me tonight. I'm lost in your arms tonight, under stars and open skies. Every time you say my name, feels like truth without disguise. I'm lost in your arms tonight, till the morning meets the sea. If this moment's all we have, it's enough for you and me. Ocean air, slow release. Let night fade, soft and deep. I'm lost in your arms tonight. Every time you're close to me. Golden light, we drift into the blue. Sunset painting on the water, soft reflections in your eyes. Every second moving slower, like the world just passed us by. Warm air dancing on our skin, baseline breathing through the sand. Every smile pulls me closer, more than words could ever plan. In the calm between the waves, I can feel feels like something we had planned. Forever feels like you in this endless summer night. Every shadow, every hue leads me back into your light. Forever feels like you in the silence and the sound. Every time I close my eyes, you're the place where I am found. Oh, deep and warm, let it ride. Wide horizons, hearts collide. If tomorrow comes too soon, let tonight just slowly breathe. No promises, no rules, only what we choose to feel in the rhythm of the tide. And the pulse beneath the beat, I don't need another sign. When you're dancing next to me, forever feels like you. And the way the night stands still under stars and ocean views, every dream feels close and real. Forever feels like you. Every moment feels brand new. Every road I've ever known always leads me back to you. Ocean breeze, soft release, let the silence say it all. If forever's just a feeling, this is how I wanna fall. Forever feels like you, yeah. Forever feels